Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel. So now let's start the video. If you want to share your current location, live location to someone on your WhatsApp, so this video is for you. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your WhatsApp app and here you have to select the person you want to share location. Now here I'm going to show you how you can easily share your location with anyone else in the world from here to there with the easy step. So let's start the video. Here you can see on a plus option, you have to click on that. After clicking on that, here you can see on a screen there are you can send photos, cameras, location, contact. So you have to press on location. After pressing on location, now the next step is you have to go to your setting and turn on location services allow, because not everyone allow all the time. So first of all, you have to give permission to allow share location. You have to on your current location and then you can able to send your location to anyone else. So here I'm here with the permission to give permission to my location, and on my location some person has your location on their up bar. If you have there, you can also on your location from that. If you can't on your location from that, then you have to go to your Google Maps and on your location in your iPhone. After doing that, your location permission will be available and you can easily send your current location to anyone else in the world from where are you right now. So this is a very important feature for everyone if he or she want to share his or her location. So hope so friends you watch enjoy this video. You can also on your turn on your location from here if you have controls. So this is very easy method you can share location. Hope so you understand this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. So this is the method you can share location.